She's Jenny. Let's see what Jenny is doing. Jenny is making a word wall with the short words. Let's see what she's making. Yeah. I, it, you, they, we, she, he. These words are called pronoun. Pronoun take the place of a noun. He, she, and we used for people. For example, he is my father. My father is tall. She is my mother. My mother is beautiful. It is used for animals and things. Example, it is my pet. My pet is a dog. I, you, he, she, used for one person. It is used for an animal or things. We is used for more than one person. And they is used for more than one person or animal or things. Let's see the examples. They are my grandparents. My grandparents are old. We all love Ricky. Ricky and I are friends. I hope you are all very clear with the topic pronoun. Now let's see the kinds of pronoun. In this video we are going to see only 3 kinds of pronoun, that is personal pronoun, demonstrative pronoun and reflexive pronoun. Let's see one by one. Personal pronoun. What is personal pronouns? Personal pronouns replace a noun or nouns. There are 2 types of personal pronoun, subject and object. We are going to first focus on subject pronouns. I, you, he, she, it, we, they. A subject pronoun usually comes at the beginning of a sentence and does the action in the sentence. Abby bakes a carrot cake. In this sentence, Abby is the noun. More specifically, it is proper noun. What should we replace Abby with? Abby is a girl, so we are going to replace word she. She bakes a carrot cake. My brother likes to dance. We are going to replace with the pronoun my brother is. My brother is a boy, so we are going to replace he. He likes to dance. Next, Kimmy and I walk to school together. Let's replace Kimmy and I with a pronoun. Kimmy and I should be replaced with we. We walk to school together. The box is in front of the door. Which pronoun you will use to replace the box with? The box is non-living thing, so the pronoun it is the right answer to be used. Caleb and Tina built a snow fort. What should we use or replace Caleb and Tina with? Here is more than one person with subject, so it's they. We have to choose the correct pronoun they. They built a snow fort. So now let's see pronoun I. We don't talk ourselves about first person. My name is Kali. I don't say Kali is hungry, Kali wants dinner, Kali wants a burger. So which personal pronoun do we use? Instead, I is the right answer. I'm hungry. I want dinner. I want a burger. What about the pronoun you? When someone talks to you, it's strange to say your name over and over again. So that person will replace pronoun you. You are watching this video right now. Kevin is a boy. Kevin likes to swim. Kevin won many swimming competitions. How can we make this sentence more naturally using pronoun? We are going to replace all of the Kevin with a proper except the first because we should know who we are talking about. Kevin is a boy. He likes to swim. He won many swimming competitions. Now it looks so much naturally. Next, let's focus on another type of pronoun, that is object pronoun. Me, you, him, her, it, us, them. Here, an object pronoun is the receiver of the action. Miss Ria gave Zach a balloon. Who is the receiver of the action? Zach. So let's replace Zach with object pronoun. Zach is a boy, so it's him. Miss Ria gave him a balloon. Let's look another one. I helped Nora plant a tree. Nora is a girl, so we are going to replace with the pronoun her. I helped her plant a tree. That's right. Let's see the another example. Can you tell your friends to come on Sunday? Let's replace with the pronoun friends. Friends here means more than one. So, what will be the right answer? A right pronoun. Them. Can you tell them to come on Sunday? It's the right answer. Mom took my sister and me to the hair salon. Can you replace my sister and me with a pronoun? Yeah, it's right, us. Mom took us to the hair salon. That's all about personal pronoun. I hope you all enjoy the personal pronoun. Well done. Demonstrative pronouns. Pronouns that are used to point out specific person or thing are called demonstrative pronouns. Like this, that, these and those. This and that used for singular nouns. These and those are used for plural nouns. Examples: this computer is new. That computer is old. This computer is old. That computer is new. This dog is small. That dog is big. This dog is big. That dog is small. Now let's see the plural form. Yeah, now many dogs have come. These dogs are big. Those dogs are small. Let's see one more example for demonstrative pronoun. This person is very happy. That person is very angry. These all about demonstrative pronouns. In demonstrative pronouns, this and these point out objects that are close to the speaker, but that and those point out objects which are far away from the speaker. Reflexive pronouns. What are reflexive pronouns? Let's see the meaning for reflexive pronouns. Reflexive pronouns are used when the object is the same as the subject. For example, in the sentence, he hurts himself, he and himself refers to the same person. So it is reflexive pronoun. Example, I always do my homework myself. Nobody helps me. Myself is a reflexive pronoun. And he never does his homework himself. The teacher always helps him. Himself is reflexive pronoun. It says of the same subject. List of reflexive pronouns. I, myself, you, yourself, he, himself, she, herself, it, itself, we, ourselves, and so on. Uses of reflexive pronouns. Reflexive pronouns are used when the subject and the object refers to the same thing. He blames himself for what happened. You might cut yourself. We will enjoy ourselves in the party. So these are reflexive examples. Reflexive pronoun may be used as the object of a preposition. He made a cup of coffee for himself. He was talking to himself. She did the job by herself. Every morning I look at myself in the mirror.